Oops. Hi guys, this is a video I'm doing of my machine, which is nice machine. I love it. I've only just got it today, and this is an unboxing of the Elna Experience 570. It's a good box. I'll unbox it and show you everything what you get in the box. Because this is a box and a half. So to move it closer. Now you do dimble some of the scissors and I'll cut the box open. Oh, that's satisfying when you're unboxing a new box. It can be very so unboxing. I'm gonna take this off. Now in the box. Right, this you see is a manual. Don't lose that, it's important. That's the most, and it's got these stickers that I think, but I'll show it in a second. This just come with everything, and then here is your plug. This is UK plug, okay? And now I'm gonna, oh, 1 second, we got all the bits here, and then I can read comment, but I'll check if the comments I've got on there. 1 second. Give me a second. I'll try to refresh my tablet because it's not working. So bear with me. Right, I'm live. So I'm just gonna hoping that I don't sound right. Any comments? I've got my, so I can see on here. So right, so now, so when we took out the bits, and the bits here are all here. Now I have this bit now is polystyrene. Take these out. On the wall. You're thinking, wow, okay, now you get this table, which is huge. Now, you get hard case. Pop that inside it, and now you're ready to get the machine out. Oh, this is exciting bit. Let's put it aside. Now I'm going to come up. Now, also I won't recommend, I should turn it around. Oh my god, this is exciting. Right, oh, and there it is. There is my brand new. Do you see it? I'll try. I've got a gimbal that I'll do that. It should move that. So that's my machine here, and then that's your power. Your pedal. Don't need the pedal. Don't need it. But you do have this is nice. And then on the side here, you got your bits here. The machine. Bobbin you got, and then here a third compartment, which apparently I'll just open it. You get, oh, I didn't get one of them. No, I didn't know you get one of them. I didn't, no idea. You get a bottle foot with, oh wow, I didn't get. And I think, am I right? How does that? I'll have to work that one out, guys. I'll have to use that one. And yeah, and now your bits go in there. Crap. I might crap it now. This machine was from Sewing Street. And some places, I want to say it, you got a machine, they will do like small checks to make sure you can afford it. And yeah, we'll go back in now, right now. Won't back in now. So you get that, and then I'll just put it back on. Oh, that's right. And the machine, I love it. I love it, I do. Set this out. Set the oh yeah, I like that. It's got, oh yeah. Oh no, hold on. Does it have a foot? Yeah. And there is the foot. I think these are great, these are great. That's an A foot. So I know you try to see me head, but I love them like that. I hate it. I love it. All the buttons, got speed control. On the side, I'm trying to do that. Well, I'll do it this way 1 second. I'm gonna do it this way a second. I'm just gonna make this that way. I'm just gonna so you can see what I'm doing. You can't see anything what I'm doing. It's not straight. Right, I'll do it this way so you can see what I'm doing. Right. Unless I can get. I'm using my gimbal this, my gimbal might move, so. It's a gimbal. I'm using my tripod. This is the Instant Flow 360 gimbal. So there's no, see my hands here, tripod, great. So now, right, you can see it, okay. So here is, you got start and stop. You have up and down function. You got your buttons there, and then you got sliders there. You got one there, two. So these are, you got 200. Is it 49, 99. So right, and then in the manual, which I'll open for you guys, this is the manual. In the back, I'll just see if I can find it. The back, he says, you get another, look, 89 stitches, Mode 1 is, this one here is Mode 1. That's 49. Mode 2 is that one. And then this one here is where it fits and cuts the thread. So there's no, but this manual is, it's got what you need to do, because some machines, so that's where you get, this is actually a bit, this is where you get your machine. You get everything, you get all these here. So it's a great machine. And it's a great machine. I love it. And I'll show you the feet before I go. And then all the feet are here. You've got needles, you've got all that. And it's quite good. And don't lose your feet, because I found that Elna machines, that you can't use the universal feet. You can only use feet for like Elna. Okay. I had to phone it and check that it's only a flat machine. So I've got a foot pedal, which, because I've got start button, I don't need that pedal. So that's for safety reasons. And that's it, I think. I think we're done. Am I any more comments, anybody? I don't know. Any comments, let me know in the comments if you want to see any more videos of this. Oh, got my card. Yeah, about 2 minutes. I'll just check my steps and put my bits in here. So. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these. So these you put on feet. Like you see it. They're quite nice feet. Now do I put these in now? It says. Quite amount of things. I'll just get my bag of goodies it. And I'm gonna show you around these. You do get bobbins. Wait, now these are bigger than our brand, but you get 3 of them. I need to get. How do you open that? You get 1. No. I'm trying to see if I'm doing that. Check. Right, you get 4 of these. You get 3 in the pattern up on the bobbin, so you get all them. You get a spare. Okay, so now, okay. You get on picker. You get a spare on small. And then you do a set of needles. And then you get, now these, no. That there is usually before. And then you got a forward brush in the end of it. I don't know what that's called here. And you got a orange stitch, I think it is. And then you got a one that's got metal on the bottom. Then you got a screwdriver. And then you got a 1/4 inch foot. Oh, just dropped the button. Blow. And a 1/4 inch foot. Which I'm gonna keep these feet in the bag because I don't. So I'm gonna keep them in the bag. And then you get a brush to clean out the fluff and the small one. And keep your bag inside so that you don't really need bits. And I love it. It's quite a robust machine. I just try it. Oh, bread, don't drop it. So you get all the bits here, you can see. Now you got your start and stop, reverse. That's a knot stitch. Up and down, scissors function. You got tortoise and hair. You got your mould, and you got memory cut, and you got a mould. There's 1, 2, 3, and then you get 200 stitches in the machine, and the manual number 89, another. So there's 200 stitches in the machine, and in manual you got another. But 289s is 1. Hang on. I don't know what it is. What was it? I don't know. I don't have a clue. Any meshes? Anyone want? Do you see how to turn it on? Should I plug it into it? Should we do it? No, I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, I'm gonna see whether if I'm gonna plug it in. But I'm gonna see if this works. Because I did buy one machine once years ago, and I was told we had a fault of it, but obviously now I'll put it power cable. Here you go, it's ready for this. Oh, it works! So, right, can I zoom in? Oh, I can zoom in. Right, okay. Right, I'm just gonna focus out a bit. I use my gimbal to, oh look. Oh, I'm using this gimbal is with it. It's called the Instant Pro 360 Flow. It works a genius. Right, okay, right. So here, allow you digit numbers now. Watch, okay. You want to select it, say, on here, and I'm going to pick number 15. So you go from that on, that's 10. And here, it shows foot F, which I have my machine. Now, I cancel that, I go back. Now, for some reason, you press a button, say, for instance, let's look at that one. And you want a button, say, 94. So, 94. Now, since its length here, since it's not moving, it won't go up. That's its limit. And here, it goes now right back and you press cancel. It is a cut function, and it has near up and down, which you can see here. I can move it down. All you want to say, you get speed up the system. This machine is 2 warranty on it, which is amazing. Because always get a machine that is computerized, and get it from a brand that you can. Now, Elna and Sonoma, they're great. I mean, I won't get a machine like this because they know what they're doing. They know what they're talking about. This machine, I saved up for. I had to save up because it was so it took me about 6 months to set. But great machine. Now here, I'll just see if I can zoom in a bit more. Oh, now I'm just trying to see if I can move my. Now, I'm going to show a bit more detail. I'm going to show you. Now here, right. So you got here. I'm just trying to see. I'm going to try to see it. Yeah, just move down a bit more. You might be able to see what I'm trying to show you. Ooh. Right, okay. So you got a foot, and you got a C, F, G, R. They got scissors, a bobbin, twin needle, pedal function, width, stitch length in here. Remember, I won't do that, so I'll just cancel it. It's not a problem. Here on the side, you've got your modes options. Say you want to pick. Now, give me a number from, say, right, Jane. Give me a number between 1 and 99. And I put it in here, and I'll show what comes up in it. I'm just guessing. I'm not putting, say, 64. So I do that. Now you see that came with a that's an R foot. See what's an R foot? An R foot is, you go to the manual. The R foot is, I will check. The R foot is don't say. Check. What's an R foot? I don't know what that is. R foot. That is okay. That won't do that one then. 64. Enter 64. That's an A foot, which is on a machine. And you see, it is now the last one. That's A. You get mode. Happy lights. Now that means on the box, okay? And you change it to that. That's all. It's quick, easy, and I do that. At 7, but I can't cancel it. And you watch here closely. I can Okay, that's a bit odd. You got a quilt stitch, which I do like quilting. Is 1 second. Wait a moment, please. I'll try to find the quilt stitch for this machine. I just got it, so just bear with me. 1 second. Hold the line, please. I'll try to find this stitch for the quilt stitch. No. So, right, I'm sure on the video. Okay, mold 1 in this one here has 99 stitches in that. 99 on that one. On these two alone. Number 2 is that one, and number 2 is that. So in total you got 189. On these here, you got 199 stitches on the machine, and then you add on another 89 on that one, and another 89 on that one, to basically get more to this, because the three sorts. This is Elna 550. But it's a great machine. It's okay, but you won't get the functions of this machine and that machine. So you like that one on it. This one has all the bits you need, but I would recommend only the feet that are for these machines that you know me, Elna. So there's a 550, a 560, and a 570. And it's actually got a tape across it. I haven't used it yet, but that's how it works. And does this come off? I need an extra. Oh, I need an extra one. I'm sure as well. I didn't see it myself, but now I don't always it. How do you put it? Open the side bit. Teach brand new. And the thread here cuts off so much. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that as well. I'm going to try to zoom in on my gimbal. It lets me, because this gimbal is quite good to actually, it will. So this bit here, we put fabric underneath it, and this is for example, and it's a bit heavy fabric. The foot up and down. Right, this here, press it in, that'll keep your foot level. Okay, so that's that one. And zoom back out again. I like this one, love it. And you got your bit. I'm trying to do it close. I'm trying to do it very. I'm trying to zoom in so you can see the display better. So you can see what I'm seeing. So I show you. Okay, so zoom it down a bit. Down. Right, so you see here you got ACF So in the manual, I'll find a number where I'm seeing that. I just want to pick a number from this one. Pick a number from, say, James. Keep your number from 1 to 99. A number from 1 to 99. A number. I'll put it in and we'll see what comes up here. I'm going to put in I like this one. I like the wait. This is 97. So put 97. Like this. You see it's gone to F now because it's changed to F. So that means I can't use that foot. So if I cancel it, just button on. Then you got that foot there. You got a needle function. So do this now. That comes up. It means when it starts to stitch, it'll cut it off. Turn it off. Bobbin control. Double needle. And a foot pedal. Which the foot pedal is it's still, now you zoom out again, the foot pedal, it is, oh, I'm going to put it down there, it's here, non-mapped, I don't need it, and I think you do have in here, well, I don't know what that is, but the warranty, and then best bit is you turn it off. I like that. Turn it on. It's that beep. It's that satisfying beep. So do that. Right. When you're finished, unplug it. Like this. This machine comes with a now pass down isn't for a reason. Let's just take it out. Obviously don't take it out, but and now I'm going now you get this machine. Oh, better get it right. One problem. Don't write it, no, I just did that. Did there. Don't move it. Don't pass down. Put that back in there and take it out. And it's there for a reason. Okay, right, so I do this. Just look at it. Nah, so you got hack over and take it off. That machine. So I love it. I love it. It's quick. It's simple to use. I love it. And plus, I got it from Sewing Street, which is brilliant. And the manual is easy to understand. It's all detailed there. So you and Elna have a support number. You can mingle any problems. Yeah. So, a beginner, get this one because it is. This has all the. And even on the top, I'll show you this in a second. On the top, it has how to thread it up and that. All numbers, well, all around. Picking it down, put that. Oh, look up. And it's got 1, 2. It's got high power. On the back, let's see the back. Oh, got one through there. I won't do that yet. It went straight through me. Hi Sheila. Hi Jane. Has anyone messaged me? Anybody said, "What are you doing this for?" I'm just like showing all the. So the manual is quite literally all a bit secret. The manuals, it's a good manual, and it's got in the back. Leave you wrong. It has a function where it is right. You got a guide. It says here where it says problems, warning signs. It's got all the numbers. E1 is where, but I'll show you what E1 is. What's E1? I will show you that. That's in part 1. I'll just show you that again, so you know what E1 means. I will show you that. E1 means when the foot pedal, when the foot here isn't down. So I'm going to show you what that's on it on. No. Right, turn it on. Right. So I'm going to show you something that this might. I'm trying to do it very right. See, it's here. Now just watch the number on this side here. I'm going to do this. Right, watch. Watch. So it means see when I press that button, it means the foot here isn't down. I'll just zoom in so you can see what I mean. So I do that, you see. So when I press the button here, watch this bit here. Watch it. It means the foot is not down. So it means it's not. It means the foot has to be on this. Otherwise, it'll flash. That's E1 means your foot's not down as it is. E4 is where there's a problem. Low is overloaded. Here we go. This one here, you can just see it. Actually, come around. I'm gonna zoom in. Up. This one here means the machine will stop in the buttonhole is sewn without the lower buttonhole lever. This one here is the bobbin winder spindle shifted to the right. So this bit here is to the right. Flashing, that's it. When it flashes, it means the machine has started with the pressure foot raised. It won't move. It won't start sewing until that foot is part of this service here, for safety reasons. And this one here is the start and stop. Each pressure foot. So foot control, no foot control. It's in there. So that's how. And then the little bit is troubleshooting again on the top. I'll zoom out again. So this video is very long-winded. If I'm boring you, let me know. If I'm boring you. I think you haven't been it. I've had no messages from anybody, so I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know if it's going. I don't know. Can you hear me okay? Because I don't know. I'll just check my live stream. I don't know. But I can commit. Can I do it? I'm just gonna check my stream here. So I can. I'm gonna do it. Okay. I've got not one comment yet. Not one comment yet. That is crazy. Anyway. Doesn't do that. Okay. So. Bam, I'm live. Okay. So I will try and figure out how to work the machine and I'll get back to you. So anyway, it's my unboxing of my new machine, the Elna Experience 570A. It's got 200 stitches on the machine, 180 in it, and you got the machines and stitches on the back. The manual's great. I recommend keep the box because you need to be servicing, or make sure you keep the box intact. That's important. So guys, thanks for watching this video. It's been long-winded, and I'm sorry, I apologise for me long-winded talkiness. I am sorry about that, but that's where I do it. And yeah. So anyway, take care guys, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye for now, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and have a great day. And that's the end. Oh, you want this gimbal? Search for, it's called the Instra 360 Pro Flow gimbal. It's a great, because I'm doing, see my hand to here, and look, it's so smooth, and with the gimbal controls, to zoom in, to zoom out, it's great, absolutely. So, when you turn it off, that's blown away. So yeah, so guys, take care of yourselves, stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you soon. And Jane, about your fabric, I've had to stop doing my sewing for a while. I'm better, nothing to do, I'm better, because I had a bit of a moment, should I say, but I'm fine. I'm getting better as I speak, but yeah. So I will try and work out some been my several weeks to get me self sorted out, but I'm better. So anyway guys, I'm going now because I've got to go out and get me bunting what I've ordered. So Oh, I do like bunting. I've got some bunting coming. I'll give you a clue. It's the beach, grey, fluffy, and comical. That's what I'm saying. Plus, this bunting will be into cushion kits for the seaside. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Not anymore. That's what I'm saying. But I will unbox it when I get it home. Tomorrow, I hope. Anyway, but I'm going now. So, take care. Have a great day. And I will see you soon. I said it twice now. I'll just say it where I say it. But yeah, right, so anyways, I'm going. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye guys. Bye.